let's talk of this big crackdown that has now been reported on coal mafia. And the ED now talking about these recoveries that have now been made as far as these raids that had been launched across West Bengal and Jharkhand, and this crackdown that is happening on illegal coal operations. Those are the pictures there that have been shared on part of the ED recoveries there. ED raiding nearly 24 plus locations in West Bengal alone. Bhavtosh, the details please. The recoveries that we're playing the pictures on part of looks like gold jewelry that has been recovered, cash that has been recovered. What is that we are getting to know as far as multiple locations being raided across West Bengal and Jharkhand?
Amita, these raids and searches are being carried out not only in West Bengal but also in Jharkhand. 40 odd places are being covered by the Enforcement Directorate. It started early in the morning in West Bengal as well as in Jharkhand. Two coordinated searches are being carried out in money laundering cases, and these searches are being carried out in cases of coal theft, illegal coal mining, and also in cases of illegal coal transport. Now, these are coordinated searches that are being carried out by ED officials, both in Jharkhand unit as well as in West Bengal unit. This is a coordinated search. That's what ED officials have said. They have taken cognizance of various FIRs that have been filed by the West Bengal police as well as by the Jharkhand police and also by the Federal Probe Agency. Okay. Now, as soon as the raids and searches started, the ED has said in the raids that have been carried out in West Bengal, large amount of gold, the visuals of which we are playing out, and also if we can pull out the visuals of cash, has been seized. Yes. These are searches that have just started. So the cash as well as gold
likely on the amount of recoveries that has been made in jewelry and cash. We'll get to know the number soon. But as far as these locations are concerned, multiple locations where the Enforcement Directorate is carrying out these searches. This is a crackdown on the coal mafia taking place in West Bengal and in Jharkhand as well. Pictures being shared on part of Enforcement Directorate recoveries. Thank you very much.